this is Jan from Jandal in the City. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and a comment, and hit that subscribe button below. Today's video is going to be part 3 of my luxury birthday unboxing. If you want to see what that's all about, keep on watching. Today's birthday unboxing, guys, is going to be from Hermes. So we'll start off with, I've got 4 items. So let's get started. The first one is in this bag, and I think you'll be surprised to see what I was given for my birthday. Came in beautiful box. I love the packaging, guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. Just let me put the box down here, guys. To show you what I was given. So, surprise, guys. This is what I have. I didn't know that Hermes had a home section, and this is one of their towels, and it is in the natural with the very large H all over it. Let me just take it out, guys. Very nice quality, nice and thick. There is a closer look, guys, at the H's, and you can see that they are raised up. It's really nice. It's coming on like maybe a white, but this is actually a light beige. There is the back, guys. There is the Hermes label and the care instructions on that. I just love it. Nice weight. This is going to go in a guest bathroom. So that is the first one. Pardon me. Second one came in this bag. I really like their home decor and the things that they have. I was on there looking. So here we go, guys. Unbox this one. Any guesses on this? And as you can see, you've probably got a glimpse of it there in the corner. And yes, I did get another one. That one that I first showed you was a face cloth. This one you're looking at is one of the larger towels in the natural as well. Like I said, it's got really nice weight to it, and I love how all the H's stand up and they're raised. This does come in a beautiful dark blue and orange. Orange is really nice. That one was all sold out. And number 3 is in this box. Okay, let's go ahead and take the lid off this one. Open it up. Oh, why has it got a sticker like that? Weird. Anyway, to reveal another 2 of them. You can never not have enough. There it is, another towel. 2 more actually. Okay. This one is in this little box. And it's not a towel. Okay, let's take the lid off, guys. To reveal upside down these. Are they not the cutest little dust bags? Look at that. And these are 4 travel size perfume. Each one of them is 15 ml. And you have a choice on the website of picking whichever 4 that you want. So let's go ahead, guys, and we'll take them out one by one. Let me set it down. Okay, so my first one, guys, look at how cute that is. Look at that. Even nice if you gifted them individually. Gorgeous. And I'm not going to pronounce the names on them, so I'll link them down below. Let's take the lid off. Have a smell. Oh my God, that is gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Wouldn't that make a nice little stocking stuffer? Or even the 4 different scents for Christmas. Okay, that's the first one. And like I said, I'll link the names down below. There's the second one. Can you see the name there? I just love it. So if you're not ready to take the leap of buying a large bottle of perfume and find out later you may not like it, I think this is a really good way to go. And it is a spray on the top. Oh, wow. Oh, that is just gorgeous, guys. Just gorgeous. I love that one. Okay, and then the other one. I did get 2 of the same because I heard that this one was super nice and smelled so good. So I got 2 of that one. And the 4th one, there's the name of it there. You make it out. I'll link it down below. Okay, let's have a see what this one smells like. Oh my God, you guys. Just gorgeous. I just love it. Like I said, you can go on, you can pick 4 of whatever ones that you want for one price. And I'll link the price down below, guys, on these ones. These ones go pretty fast. I love the box. Is that not cute? Look at that. Okay, guys. Any guesses on this little one? When I called up the SA to, pardon me, inquire about this one, when she found it, she says she's never seen this one before. So let's go ahead, guys. I tried to look on YouTube to see if I could find it. I could not find it. Look at the little dust bag, guys. It's so cute. Let's go ahead. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Look at this. Is that not cute? This is a scarf ring. And this one is in the in the silver tone. I just love it. Look at that. I cannot wait to try this one on my scarves. I just love it. Not too heavy, a little bit of weight. So this one I can't even find on the site. I can find the larger one, but this one is the mini. And I will link all the information down below with the item number if I can still find it. So guys, these are just some of the items that I got for my birthday from Hermes. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a comment. Go over and check me out on Instagram at Jandal Smith. So guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.